Josh, am I alright to cruise onto the grass here? You want me? That's alright?
Where are we?
We're at our good friend Josh's house. You might remember Josh from a much earlier episode. Josh is the owner of that beautiful Series 2. And today we have got a Defender, well, a Land Rover Western Australia meetup, a big beach run happening, which we organised about 2 months ago. And unfortunately, it's March in Australia. It should be beautiful weather, but it's raining and a few people will probably be deterred. But anyway, we're gonna have a good day and we're gonna make the most of it.
What are you driving for now?
Oh, don't you're not allowed to see. Sorry, I think we brought the rain with us. All the way from Vegas. All right, so what's the plan? Me and you on either side, Josh, and then yeah. Just want some fingers. Yep.
It's like a big Meccano set, like when you're growing up as a kid.
That's right.
Is it comfy in here?
Yes.
It still leaks.
Of course.
So it's not.
Ours still leaks like a sieve.
Pop him up, have a look. Here's close this one.
How lucky are we, huh? We're on our way to Preston Beach for our Land Rover meetup today, and I was just thinking back to the last Defender or Land Rover convoy we were on. It was in the Sahara Desert in Morocco a couple of years ago. How cool, huh?
Yeah, I wore it for the occasion.
That's what.
We'll do our best to keep them out of the rain.
Thank you to everybody for coming down. We really appreciate this. We weren't sure everyone was going to show up when we woke up this morning and it was pissing down with rain, but thank you anyway. We've been lucky enough today to come down in Josh's 110. This is his series here. Josh, the rough plan.
Well, we're hoping to go as far as White Hills.
The last thing we drove through was thick snow, so we're in a bit of a different environment. So thanks once again, and you lead the way, buddy.
Yeah, I'll lead the way.
All right, awesome.
Yeah.
Snow, red sky, reach up for so high, blue eyes, fake cry, beware of the fox tonight. Cold feet, a dark rain, my blood in your frozen veins, dream high, no pain, run fast in the broken chains.
Fantastic. It's nice. Nice to get the old girl off the tarmac.
What's happening, Josh?
We're just adjusting the idle, so it's not idling so high.
This is Amelia's first time ever on the beach in a car.
Ooh, do you like it?
Yeah, and they'll never go on fishing too.
Sneak out, keep fighting.
Fantastic.
Inspire, I'm here to take your call. New soul to higher.
I'm Ed, and this is Darcy.
How old are you, Darcy?
16,
You've got your license?
just the learners.
We live down south, so
I can drive in the bush and
4-wheel drive tracks down there. But now he's allowed on the road.
yeah,
Darcy owns a Series 3.
1974.
It's our second Defender. We had a 2001 TD5. We had 3 kids very close together, and so we couldn't fit 3 baby seats in the back seat. There just wasn't enough room. So unfortunately we had to sell it. As soon as we could, we got back into a Defender because we just missed it so much. It was a fire and rescue unit. It would have had a water tank on the back and pumps and medical equipment. I picked it up in 2016 and it only had done 16,000 kilometres. Fantastic car. It's our forever car. Yeah, we love it. Great salt water on my car, Darcy. Hey?
What happened?
Ran out of
The
steam.
steam engine ran out of steam.
Yeah.
So you came here 'cause you wanna be a star. Rolling into town in your daddy's old car. Cruising down the street like a rolling stone. Pretty little boy far away from home. Diamonds on the beach on a girl that won't get old. Go and rub your feet against a body made of gold. Acting like you're cool when you try to please. It's hard to be cool when you're on your knees. Hey,
Thank you once again for coming on down. Bye bye, nice to meet you guys.
Yeah, good day. My name's Peter Sales. This is my 2014 MY15 Defender Puma. We bought this, it replaced a County, which we had for 15 odd years. We bought it so that we can travel around Australia.
I'm Alan. I come from Cornwall originally, the home of the pasty. I've been driving Land Rover since I was 17. I fell in love with Land Rovers when I was about 7. Dactari was on TV. I've had a love affair with Land Rovers all my life, and I've owned probably about 30 of them. This is my second V8 County. This is a 1985, which I picked up. It was in a paddock. It was unloved, left to die. I took a chance and bought it, and I put a lot of love and care into her. I'm still working on her, but she's road legal and living a life. The V8s are quite rare now because a lot of people put diesels in because they're more economical and more reliable. So today's the first trip on the beach for her. No, she's done good. She didn't break down, didn't overheat.
Hi, my name is Chris. I have a 2006 Land Rover Defender 110 double cab. It was a private import from the UK. It was an original model from Twisted Automotive. It's the TD5.
I'm Trent, and this is my Defender 90 Puma. It's pretty standard. I've had it a couple of years and I bought it because I didn't want to have to do anything to the four-wheel drive to actually make it be able to go anywhere.
What is your name?
Greg,
And what's your car's name?
Red Baron,
What model is it?
Defender 2.2 110,
What year?
2014. 3, but some of those have been bits. Some I've built, some I've bought. Most I've written off-roading, racing, winch trials, all sorts. I've destroyed more than I've bought, I think. But I've owned a variety of other Land Rovers too. Land Rover 101 being my favourite. I've had a couple of series vehicles. Series 3 Lightweight was another favourite. But yeah, Land Rover for life, mate.
Hi, I'm Shane Dawson. I bought this Land Rover Defender probably 2 years ago now. I bought it as a stock standard off a nice old lady up in the hills. She was going to sell it to somebody over east, but I managed to convince her to sell it to me. No trouble with it at all. We've got the bigger tyres, we've got winches, we've got all the roll bars and fancy lights and stuff like that. Yeah, it's got a rear winch as well, which is really, really good. It helps a lot. I've actually pulled quite a few people out, and even myself. I actually drowned it in water up to probably about here. It kept running, there was no issues with it. Winched it out and took it home, washed it all out. And that's the beauty of the 200 TDI. It's got no electronics or anything like that, so as long as you keep the water out of the engine, it's good.
Come on, Steph.
What's up?
Not comfy at all.
No.
No suspension in the car, no suspension in the seats. Do the kids love it?
Yes.
High five. There you go. We're making sandcastles tonight at home. As long as the kids are happy.
What's happening here, Josh?
He's taking the old car for a drive. He's got it. I've lost my car.
That's made his day.
Yeah, definitely.
Look at him.
Darcy,
Yes,
how was it?
it was fun. Very fun. I think mine might be a bit more comfortable though.
I've got a cleaning cloth in my camera bag. You don't have a lens hood?
No.
Never mind. No! Kids. Great day today. Got bogged, got recovered, which was pretty cool. Hadn't been recovered by a winch before. Then we stopped for lunch at White Hills, made our way to Tim's Thicket. And it's raining, rained all day. I'm driving an old 1960 Series 2 Land Rover. It was passed down to me by my dad, stripped it to the chassis, rebuild it. So I grew up in the car, and now I've got my two daughters growing up in the car. They kind of love it, and they kind of don't. Massive steering wheel, horn, one windscreen wiper for the hot days here in Australia. Got an aircon. Make sure you always shut it, otherwise it drains the battery. There's no window winders, it's just a slight shut. Original 2.25 litre petrol motor. We try to keep it as original as we could. Yeah, no, it's just a great little vehicle.
Now I'm a bit confused. Whose car is that one? Because I don't think it's Lee's.
Had it for 3 years. X-Tech 2012, power windows at the front, winders at the back. Very comfy seats, lots of fun to drive.
Need lens hood, Steph.
Oh, it's all smidged.
This is Susan. Susan drives the Land Rover Puma, and I drive the 1960 Series 2. Got a double clutch that. That's why Susan doesn't drive it.
Will be the final shot.
See ya.
Hey guys.
Thank you so much. Don't forget your camera.
Bye.
Are you guys right to take the two kids?
Yeah, as long as you're happy with that.
Yeah, we're okay with that.
All right.
We're not sure if we're going to go home now if you've got the two kids.
I had a fantastic day. And yourself?
Yeah, awesome.
What about you girls?
Hello.
Welcome to Australia.
Good to see you.
Defender, and it's like brings people together.
J'ai allé la chaîne la montagne.
What are you doing? The floss.
Is it recording, is it?
I watch your channel, really good channel.
Is he recording? You're not recording, are you?
Plenty of defenders. Stay safe.
Yeah, awesome.
I didn't know I was supposed to get.